My name is Tina Ocasio. I'm a Mayvenn certified stylist and I've been doing hair for 8 years now. I believe in healthy hair. I want to be able to educate my clients on how to take care of their hair so when they're not with me, they kind of become their own stylist. So I try and make sure that I maintain them here and they maintain their hair at home. We can cut, color, and customize any look for you. So if you're wanting to try Mayvenn and you want to come into the salon, we can give you a look that is edgy and contemporary and that'll work for your lifestyle. I love being able to educate my clients. I love being able to transform someone's look. So just with the cut, color, or style, or weaving, you can give someone a different look, and to be able to watch them be passionate or just feel good about the way they look, really, it's inspiring.